Zoeller backup sump pumps are equipped with alarm systems that serve as critical safety devices to protect your basement from flooding. These alarms signal three main critical issues: high water levels that could lead to flooding, power outages that disable your primary pump, and failing batteries in backup systems. When an alarm sounds, your first step is to identify the cause. Start by checking if the pump is properly plugged in and receiving power from the electrical outlet. For battery backup systems, ensure the battery is properly connected and fully charged. Check all wire connections to the battery terminals for corrosion or loose connections. Batteries in backup sump pump systems typically last 3 to 5 years, even without frequent use. Over time, they lose capacity and may not provide adequate backup power during emergencies. You can temporarily silence alarms on APAC models by pressing the silence button. For 115-volt, 12-volt DC backup systems, use the reset button instead. If the alarm persists after addressing power and battery issues, the next step is to inspect the float switch mechanism, which we'll cover in the next section. The float switch is a critical component that must move freely to properly detect water levels and activate your sump pump. When water levels rise, the float should move up smoothly to trigger the pump activation. Any obstruction or debris can prevent this critical movement. Inspect the float switch area for any obstructions or debris that may prevent free movement. Clear any blockages you find. Next, inspect all wiring connections to ensure they are secure and free from corrosion. Examine the fuse, which is typically rated at 15 amps, and verify that all electrical connections are secure and corrosion-free. To reset the system, first unplug the unit from the wall outlet, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. For battery backup systems, you may need to disconnect the black lead from the negative battery terminal to fully reset the alarm. Finally, establish a regular testing schedule. Test your system every 3 months by filling the sump with water to the activation level to ensure the DC backup pump operates correctly. Regular testing helps catch problems before they become emergencies, ensuring your sump pump system is ready when you need it most.